Welcome to Twinkling Stars. Today we'll be learning how to make this cute little finger bud puppet. So let's start. For this I required a white paper. I am taking a A4 size used paper and some sketch colors, a scale, scissor, because I am having a rectangular sheet, so I am going to convert it into a square sheet. For that I just make a fold like this. It will be a triangle, so I'm gonna make a triangle over here, and now I will cut it with the scissor. Be careful while you are using the scissor. Okay, you can take help from your elder also. So here I'm having a square paper. Okay, now I'm going to fold like this. This will be our first fold. Yes, and then like this, second fold, and then the third fold. First fold, second fold and the third fold. 3 folds हमें करने हैं. Now we have to find the middle point of this line, so I'm just going to fold it like this. Yes, and little skews here, so this will be our middle point, and we have to join this middle point to this corner. For this I'm using the scale and just fold it like this. And yes, now you have to fold the paper. Now keep it sharp because it will be your beak, and again fold it, and then first fold, second fold, and then secure it here. You have to keep the beak sharp and then secure it here like this. Yes, and now your finger puppet, the bird puppet is ready, and now we are going to decorate it. Now here's the fun part. You can decorate your bird in whichever color you like. So I'm making the beak orange here. I'm using sketch colors, but you can use any type of colors, whichever you like. If you're having sketch colors, you can use sketch colors, your crayons, watercolors, and even you can use a color paper also. So my beak is colored now, and for the eyes I'm using the black sketch color. Cute little eyes. For wings I'm using blue color. It's a very light shade of blue. Yeah. Then for the body I'm using the pink color. Now you can leave the body white also, or you can use yellow color, green color, or whichever color you like, because it's your bird, it's your puppet, so you can design it also, you can color it in any color you like. So I'm making the body green here. I'm just drawing here to give a little 3D effect to the bird. The 2 lines. For the detailing, I'm just making the eyelashes. Now the beak, and for the wings I'm using the blue color. A little detailing will give the bird a new look. Yes, so it's a super cute bird. Now you have to just put your finger in the bird. Yes, and now your finger puppet is ready. Wee wee! It's super cute now. You can play with it, you can teach a child with these birds. These birds are super cute.